Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Softr site content and database syncs, full guide step by step clearly. To backup your Softr site content and sync your database, start by logging into your Softr account. Navigate to the dashboard where your projects are listed. Select the specific Softr application you wish to backup. Once inside the application, locate the settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon. In the settings, find the backup section. Click on the Create Backup button to initiate the backup process for your site content. Wait for the system to create a backup file. Once the backup is complete, you will receive a notification. Next, proceed to download the backup file to your local computer. Now, to ensure your database is synchronized, access your database management tool. Log in using your credentials for the database associated with your Softr application. Locate the relevant database you want to sync. Export the database by clicking on the Export option in your database management tool. Choose the appropriate format for export, typically SQL. Start the export process and wait for it to finish. After the export is complete, save the database file to your local storage. For database synchronization, you can compare the newly exported database with your existing data. Use a database management tool to analyze and check for discrepancies. If you find any changes, you may need to update your database accordingly. After making any necessary changes, you can re-import the updated data back into your database. Confirm the successful import and ensure all content is correctly reflected on your Softr site. Review your site to verify that everything is functioning as expected. Regularly repeating this backup and sync process will help secure your data over time. By following these steps, you'll ensure your Softr site content and database remain safe and up to date. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.